Okay, good morning, first PC students. Yesterday, what did we learn? Variance, mean variance, and standard deviation for group data and group data. Exactly yesterday, group data for a continuous frequency distribution. Find variance and standard deviation for continuous frequency distribution. Today we are going to the next topic, analysis of frequency distribution. Analysis of frequency distribution. So analysis of frequency distribution means analysis of frequency distribution. First of all, coefficient of variation. The coefficient of variation is simply CV. Coefficient of variation is denoted by or simply CV. The measure means measurements, okay, measure of variability which is independent of units. The measure of variability which is independent of units is called coefficient of variation. Okay, the coefficient of variation is defined as CV is equal to standard deviation by mean into 100, sigma by x bar. Sigma is called standard deviation and x bar is called mean into 100, where sigma and x bar are the standard deviation and mean. Okay, next, comparison of two frequency distribution with the same mean. Means are same. Comparison of two frequency distribution, means are same, means nothing. So let x1 bar and sigma 1 be the mean and standard deviation of first distribution. In the first distribution, x1 x bar is a mean, x1 bar is a first distribution mean, sigma 1 is first distribution standard deviation, and x2 bar is the mean of second distribution, sigma 2 is the mean of the second distribution. So actual coefficient of variation formula sigma by x bar into x. So coefficient of variation is first distribution formula sigma 1 by x1 bar into 100, first distribution, actual formula, normal formula. Next, coefficient of variation is second distribution is equal to sigma 2 by x2 bar into 100. Here, what is the comparison of two frequency distribution with the same mean? Same mean means x1 bar, x2 bar, x bar both are same. So after simplification, coefficient of variation of first distribution sigma 1 by x1 bar is equal to x2 bar, both are same, x bar into 100. Second one, sigma 2 by x bar into 100. This one, comparison. So it is clear from 1 and 2. What is 1? 1, this is coefficient of variation first distribution, coefficient of variation in second distribution 1 and 2. It is clear from 1 and 2 the two coefficient of variations can be compared on the basis values of sigma 1 and sigma 2. How to compare? Okay, comparing, okay. Which one? Two can be compared on the basis of values of sigma 1 and sigma 2. Okay, by the depending on the values of sigma and sigma 2. Sigma 1 sigma 2 values prakara compare ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Okay, the basis of value of sigma 1, so first two distribution standard deviation and second distribution standard deviation. So thus we say that for two series with equal means are equal, is clear. The series with greater standard deviation, which one is greater value, biggest value, maximum value, greater standard deviation. The series with greater standard deviation is called more variable. Let's see. First two data, you have to given data frequency. This is also same discrete frequency distribution. Discrete or continuous frequency. So only two types of discrete frequency distribution and continuous frequency distribution. First we have to find out coefficient of variation. Coefficient of variation formula, standard deviation. First we have to find standard deviation. Standard deviation for the discrete frequency distribution formula 1 by n variance formula 1 by sigma fi into xi minus x bar whole square by capital N. Standard deviation is equal to root of sigma fi into xi minus x bar whole square by n. First we have to find out standard deviations. After that, coefficient of variation. Which one is greater standard deviation? Which one is the greater standard deviation? That one is the more variable. ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ, ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ ನಂತರ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಡಿವಿಯೇಷನ್ ಯಾವುದು ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಬರ್ತದೋ ಅದೇ ಮೋರ್ ವೇರಿಯಬಲ್. ಯಾವುದು ಹೆಚ್ಚು ಅದೇ ಮೋರ್ ವೇರಿಯಬಲ್. ದಟ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದಿ ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಥಿಂಗ್. ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡರ್ಡ್ ಡಿವಿಯೇಷನ್. ದ ಬೇಸಿಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಹೌ ಟು ಕಂಪೇರ್ ದ ಬೇಸಿಸ್ ಆಫ್ standard deviation values according to the values of standard deviation. Which standard deviation value is greater one? Greater means that one is more variable. This one. Okay. The series with less value, more value means more variable. Greater value means more variable. So the series with lesser value of standard deviation is said to be more consistent. Less value, more consistent. Greater value, more variable. Greater means more variable, less means more consistent. This one. Okay. Okay. From the prices of shares in exercise 15.3, first second problem, discrete frequency distribution model. Okay. From the prices of shares x and y, from the prices rupees below, find out which is more stable. Find out which is more stable. More stable, more variable, more consistent. First we have to find out class of variance. Before that, the standard deviation, mean and standard deviation. Okay. Table. X, Y, 35, 108, 54, 107, 52, 105, 53, 105, 56, 106, 58, 107, 52, 104, 50, 103, 51, 104, 49, 101, which is more stable. So xy means what? Only xy means only observations only. This is two observations, x y 2. Okay, first class of variance of first distribution, class of variables of first, we have to find out first class of variables of first distribution and class of variables second distribution, which are more value means more stable. This is one. Okay, first table, this is the first thing, x is equal first to xi. What is xi? 35, 54, 52, 53, 56, 58, 52, 50, 51, 49. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 3, 6, 10. Okay, 49. First x bar. First we have to find out x bar. How to find out x bar? X bar is equal to sum of the single. This is ungrouped data. Ungrouped data, only observations are given. Only observations are given by the ungrouped data. Ungrouped data, how to find out? Mean sum of the values by 35 plus 54 plus 52. Okay, the totally, adding the totally, the total one is 510. This is 510, value 510. X bar value formula sigma xi by small n, ungrouped data, small n. So sigma xi is equal to total xi, total values 510. 510 by how many? 10. That is equal to 51. X bar is 51. Next, xi minus x bar. Okay, xi minus x bar. Xi minus x bar is equal to 51. 35 minus 51. So 16, minus 16. This is xi. X bar is equal to 51. Minus 16, 3, 54 minus 51, 3, 1, 2, 5, 7, 1, minus 1, 0, minus 2. Next, xi minus x bar whole square. Xi minus x bar whole square. 16 whole square, 256. 9, 1, 4, 25, 49, 1, 1, 0, 4. The total 256, 9, 1, 4, 25, 49, 1, 1, 0, 4. The total values 350. So sigma x sigma, this is x. Okay, capital X and class of variance. First sigma x and standard deviation. Standard deviation formula root of sigma xi minus x bar whole square by small n. So that is equal to root of xi minus x bar whole square 350. 350 by small n is equal to 10. No, cancel. Root 35 is equal to nearly 6, 36 and 5.9. This is nearly 6 and 5.92. Sigma x is equal to 5.92. This is standard deviation. The standard deviation, which was standard deviation? X standard deviation. Okay. Next, class of variance of x. So sigma x by x bar into 100. So sigma x bar is equal to 5.92 by x bar is equal to 51 into 100. 5.91 by 51 into 100 is equal to 592 by value 592. 5.92 into 100 is equal to 592 by 51. So this is nearly 10 times, nearly 11. 11 point, we have to divide 592 by 51. So this is 11.61. So class of variance of x is equal to 11.61. This is the first one. Next, second table. So this is y. First yi anko, yi is equal to, this is 108, 107, 105, also 105, 105, 106, 107, 104, 103, 104, 101. This totally value 1050 sigma yi. The total adding is 108, 108. The total adding 1050. 10 hundreds, 10 hundreds, 1000, 8 plus 5, 15, 20, 25, 31, 38, 42, 45, 50, 1050. So next, yi minus x bar, yi minus x bar at the rate of y. Okay, this is x bar at the rate of x. Okay, what is the x bars? So x bar at the rate of y is equal to mean is equal to sigma yi by n. Sigma yi is equal to 1050 by 10, that is equal to 105. So x bar y is equal to small y or capital Y, anything. Okay, 10 xi minus yi minus x bar. X bar is equal to 105. 108 minus 105, 3, 2, 0, 0, 1, 2, minus 1, minus 2, minus 1, minus 4, 3, 2, 0, 0, 1, 2, minus 1, minus 2, minus 1, minus 4. Next again, yi minus x bar y whole square. So 9, 4, 0, 0, 1, 4, 1, 4, 1, 16, 9, 4, 0, 0, 1, 4, 1, 4, 1, 16. The totally 40. So sigma y, standard deviation for y, root of sigma yi minus x bar y whole square by capital N, that is equal to root of yi minus x bar whole square 40 by n10, that is equal to 2 sigma y. 40 by 10 is equal to 2. So class of variation of y is equal to sigma y by x bar of x into 100. Sigma y is equal to 2. So mean is equal to 105 into 100. So that is equal to 200 by 105. 200 by 105 is equal to nearly 1 point something. 105 is equal to 105 from 210. So nearly this is 1.91. This is class of variance of y. Class of variance of x is 11 point. Class of variance of y is equal to 1.9. Since class of variance of y is less than class of variance of x, class of variance of y less than class of prices of shares y are more stable. Which one is more stable? More variable. More variable is nothing but greater value. Greater value, greater distribution, nothing but greater value is nothing but more variable. Okay, lesser value is means more stable or more consistent. So more stable or more consistent, both are same. More stable, more consistent, both are same. So lesser value is called more stable or more consistent. Greater value is called more variable. So which one is less value? Class of variance of y is the lesser value. Class of variance of lesser means which one is more stable? Class of variable of y. So y is the more stable. Y is the more stable. Hence y are more stable. Y are more stable. Y are more stable in value. So what is the more stable or are more consistent? Both are same. Lesser value is called more stable or are more consistent. Greater value is called more variable. More variable, single one. More stable, more consistent, both are same. So lesser value, which one is lesser value? Class of variance of y class of variance, so y of standard deviation, all are lesser. Lesser means more stable in value. And two types, two problems here. This is ungrouped data, variance, find out variance. Okay, tomorrow I will discuss the same problem, more variable for the continuous frequency distribution. Tomorrow I will explain. Okay, thank you.